Ring cameras provide excellent home security, monitoring your property around the clock. However, like any smart device, they occasionally need a reset to function optimally. Resetting your Ring camera addresses common issues such as Wi-Fi connectivity problems that can interrupt live viewing. It also fixes app glitches that might prevent you from accessing camera feeds or receiving notifications. Additionally, a reset is essential when preparing the camera for resale or gifting it to someone else. The reset process restores the camera to its original factory settings, disconnecting it from your Ring account and network. Important note: resetting the camera does not automatically delete your cloud-stored footage. You must manually remove that data through the Ring app if desired. The goal of a reset is to return the camera to its factory defaults. This disconnects it from your Ring account, Wi-Fi, and paired devices. The core process involves a physical reset button on the device. You'll need the Ring app, a stable internet connection, and sometimes a screwdriver for battery compartments. Safety first, avoid resetting during storms to prevent data loss. First, ensure the camera is powered on and receiving electricity. Next, locate the reset button, typically found on the back or side of the camera. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. The camera's light will flash, indicating that the reset has begun. Finally, repair the device via the Ring app by scanning the QR code or entering the serial number. If you cannot physically access the camera, skip to the app reset section. If physical access to your Ring camera is impossible, the Ring app provides an alternative reset method. This is especially useful for cameras installed in hard-to-reach locations like high-mounted floodlights. Open the Ring app and navigate to the device settings. Select the Remove Device option to disconnect the camera from your account. After removing the device, choose Add Device to repair the camera. This process simulates a reset by reconnecting it fresh. Note that this app-based method is not a complete factory reset like pressing the physical button. It may leave some residual settings or information, particularly on older camera models. Different Ring camera models have specific reset procedures. Let's look at the tips for each type. For wired or wireless video doorbells, locate the button on the back and hold it for 20 seconds until the light flashes. If you have a battery-powered video doorbell model, after holding the button, remove the battery completely and then reinsert it to complete the reset process. Floodlight and spotlight cams often require accessing the reset button, which may be located on the back or side. For solar-powered models, check for a tamper switch that can trigger the reset. Indoor cams are the easiest models to reset. Simply locate the reset button on the back of the device and follow the standard holding procedure. When troubleshooting common issues with Ring camera resets, an incomplete reset can leave residual settings that cause problems. Always confirm the reset process via the Ring app to ensure it's fully completed. Some users experience app errors specifically with Wi-Fi 6-enabled models. In these cases, try performing a full power cycle of the device. If you're dealing with persistent motion detection false positives, resetting the camera can often resolve this issue. According to a 2026 Reddit thread, one user successfully reset their Floodlight Cam Pro 2 to fix exactly this problem, saving themselves a $200 repair fee. When resetting your Ring camera, the process wipes all your personal data, which is crucial for maintaining your privacy. Recent data breach reports have prompted Ring to make automatic data wiping mandatory during any reset, protecting user information from potential unauthorized access. To prevent accidental data loss, resets now include a 30-second delay, giving you time to confirm the action. The Ring app also prompts for account verification during the reset process to ensure only authorized users can perform this action. Before reselling your Ring camera, always perform a proper reset to prevent your personal information from being accessible to the next owner. Protecting your privacy through proper resetting is essential in today's connected world.